Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5? How can you find the right fuse when troubleshooting electrical issues? In this guide, we'll explore the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5 fuse box diagram and location to help you easily identify and replace fuses. Instrument panel fuse panel. The instrument panel fuse panel controls and protects electrical circuits for interior features like the dashboard, infotainment system, and power windows. It houses multiple fuses for easy troubleshooting and replacement. Motor compartment fuse panel. The motor compartment fuse panel protects essential engine and electrical components by housing high-capacity fuses and relays. It ensures safe power distribution to critical systems like the ignition, cooling fan, and headlights.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.